Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you how to unlock your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or 11 Pro Max. And if your phone is locked to, say, AT&T, for example, and you want to use it either on T-Mobile, like I'm going to do, or maybe you want to go on a trip around the world, but your phone is locked to a carrier, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock these devices. Now the steps are the same for all of these iPhones here, and I've partnered with the unlocking company who sponsored this video to show you how to do this. Now I've been working with them for quite some time, and so I wanted to show you how to do this. It's pretty simple, but the first thing we need is the IMEI number. Now there's a couple different ways to get this. I find the easiest just to go into the phone dialer and then dial *#06#. So *#06, and as soon as we hit the pound sign, it will pop up. Now you'll see we have the IMEI number in the middle here, and we're going to take that number and go to the unlocking company so we can get the phone unlocked. Now once it's unlocked, it will be permanently unlocked and cannot relock. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now that we're at the unlockingcompany.com, the first thing we need to do is select the manufacturer of our phone. So in this case, it's Apple, and then we need to select our model. So we're unlocking the iPhone 11 Pro. We'll go ahead and click Unlock Now. Now here we need to select the country we purchased it from. So in this case, it's the United States, and then we need to select the carrier, and we'll select AT&T. Now we'll click Next, and this will show you the actual price, and this is actually variable depending on where you live and which carrier you're unlocking it from. Now here's where we need to enter the IMEI number that we got earlier. So we'll put this in here along with our name, our email, and our phone number, and then we'll click Order Now. Now on this page, we need to enter our credit card information, and then here you'll see the average delivery time. And this can vary greatly depending on who the carrier is and what the phone is, but you'll see it says 1 to 15 days. So depending on which carrier and country and phone, this may take only 1 day or half a day, or could take up to 15 days or even more. So you have to be patient with certain phones in order to get them unlocked. So once you've paid, let's move on to the next step. Once we've received our confirmation email from the unlocking company that the phone has been unlocked, with an iPhone it's pretty simple. Most of the time it will just be unlocked and it will work. But you can confirm this by plugging it into a Mac or a Windows computer, either running iTunes, or if you're on macOS Catalina, you can be on the main screen under Finder, and it will verify for you that it's unlocked. So all you need to do is boot up either computer, plug in your lightning cable, and it will pop up on the screen that's unlocked with this message here. And that's all you need to do to verify it. Once you have it unlocked, then you just need to pop in the SIM card. So let me turn this off. That's best practice. You can leave it on if it's an iPhone, but we'll just turn it off here. And once it's off, we'll just pop out the SIM card, or the SIM card tray rather, and then we'll put our new SIM card in place and then put it into the phone. So you'll see here's my T-Mobile SIM card. Now that I've got the SIM card in place, let's go ahead and slide it in, and let's boot up the phone so we can test it out. Now once the phone has booted up, you'll see that I have LTE, and it says T-Mobile LTE. I have Wi-Fi off, so now we can verify if the connection works. So we'll go to Safari, for example, and maybe we'll go look at some iPhones here. Go on the Apple website, and you'll see everything is loading fine. It's nice and fast. And so we've verified that the data connection works. And this phone will stay permanently unlocked and now can be used on any GSM carrier around the world. So if you have any other questions or comments about that, let me know in the comments below. And of course, I'll link the unlocking company down in the description as well. If you haven't subscribed already though, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.